Bravo 230 ped, 9 south, 4th east. Hey man, how come you didn't wait for the light? It doesn't matter if there's a car coming, you gotta wait for the light, man.
I'm sorry, I apologize. I usually don't do that.
That's why we've had like tons of people hit and killed on the streets because people don't wait for the lights.
I'm sorry, I thought I did something like wrong because my buddy gave me this bicycle.
Your buddy gave you what?
Gave me this frame.
Where?
I thought that's why you was rolling up on me. But
No, it's like I said, you hit the button, but you didn't wait for the light to change. Even if there's no cars coming, you still gotta wait for the light.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license with you, sir? Or any ID? You don't have ID? Okay. Do you have ID? Like, do you have a Utah ID in the past?
Colorado State ID.
Colorado State. Have you dealt with the police here before?
Yeah, I have, but I mean,
So you'll be in the, so I can look you up in the system. I know, but you did.
I'm sorry, I didn't.
You don't have any warrants or anything like that, do you?
No, I shouldn't.
Okay. What's your name, sir?
TJ, Tarik. I didn't do it. I'm
You
sorry,
did.
sir.
You jaywalked.
I apologize. I jaywalked on a back road.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I really am sorry.
Okay.
Didn't mean to, sir. I apologize. I really do.
All right.
Please, man.
Tarik, what's your last name?
Mason.
Tarik Mason. What's your birthday?
January 27th, 82.
Okay. Chill for just 1 minute, okay?
Please, sir. Don't bother me, man.
I'm just gonna make sure you don't have any warrants. No, stay here.
Sir, please.
Sir,
don't bother me,
stop.
man.
Stop right now.
I just jaywalked. That's
Bravo
all.
230, I need it back.
That's all,
Sir, stop right now. 230, I got one running. Northbound, 7th east, or sorry, 4th east. Holy stop! East on Hoover. Approaching 5th east from Hoover. Black male, gray hoodie, gray pants. South on 5th east. Continuing eastbound. Stop! Get on the ground!
No!
Get on the ground!
No! No! No!
230. One at gunpoint. 1022, he's continuing. We're at about 840 south. In the alley southbound towards 9th. About 530 east, almost to 9th south, in the alley. He just passed me. Hey, bud, keep your right arm up. Give us your right arm. Keep your hand down. Keep your hand down.
It's your right arm, guy. We got it.
You got it.
I got his hands.
So we gotta go back. He dished his backpack and a bike frame. He threw a bag of something in a dumpster.
Where's that at?
I gotta walk back.